In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a document in DocuSign. If you've uploaded a file and noticed that one of the pages is sideways or upside down, don't worry. DocuSign gives you a quick way to fix the page orientation before sending the document out for signature. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can make sure your document looks clean and professional. To begin, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is where you begin creating a new transaction. Once that menu appears, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is simply the container that holds the document, recipients, and signing actions. After that, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to prepare and send a document for signing. From here, upload the document you want to rotate. You can add the file from your computer or wherever you normally store your documents. Make sure you upload the correct version so you don't have to repeat the setup later. Once the file has been added, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is the area where you review the document and make adjustments before sending it out. When the document opens, go to the specific page that needs to be rotated. Take a moment here to confirm you're on the right page, especially if the document has multiple pages. Now open the options for that selected page and choose Rotate. If the page is not yet in the correct position, select Rotate again until it appears the way it should. In most cases, each click will turn the page another 90 degrees, so just keep going until the text is easy to read and properly aligned. After rotating the page, review the document carefully. This is an important step because you want to make sure the page is facing the correct direction and that nothing else was affected. It's also a good idea to quickly scan the surrounding pages so the entire document looks consistent and ready for signing. Once everything looks right, click Send to send the envelope for signing. At that point, your rotated document will be on its way with the corrected orientation, making it much easier for recipients to read and sign without confusion. That's all there is to it. Rotating a page in DocuSign is simple once you know where to find the page options. And doing this quick check before sending can save time and help avoid mistakes. Thanks for watching.